What we're seeing with kennel cough is coughing, especially if you had a dog prior to going to a facility around other dogs, picking them up, and now they're coughing. Usually it's more about a drier hacking, and the coughing is what kind of exacerbates the issue over time, because the more turbulence, the more irritation to this airway creates a better environment for the infection to further set up. Obviously, it causes more irritation, which leads to more coughing, which leads to more inflammation. And so we get this cyclical thing that causes it to get worse.